9 differences: deer poop pictures, deer droppings, photos, images, deer feces, photo, PDF 2023. Deer poop pictures. As a general rule, the difference between rabbit and deer feces is evident at first glance. Rabbit pellets are rounder in shape with a rougher texture that has been indented on one end and slightly pinched off from another side. The lighter brown color makes them easier for predators to spot among other prey, while their shiny exterior provides more contrast against their surroundings than black or dark colored droppings would produce, not forgetting about all those distinctive characteristics. What do deer poop pictures? Shape of deer poop. Rabbit poop pictures. What does deer poop pictures look like? Why deer and rabbits poop pellets, also called deer scat? A combination of things is involved, and the phenomena lie in large part in the digestive tract itself. In animals such as rabbits, the feces are formed into pellets by the colon, which pushes them out into the rectum rhythmically and leads to a uniform shape and size. Of course, the rectum plays an important role. Deer poop pictures. Check out Amazon's resources on ruminant digestion systems. Rabbit poop versus deer poop is different in these manners. Images. Some animals have internal muscles that control the process to a degree, such that each deer's feces comes out virtually the same shape and size. Essentially, the rectum acts a lot like a press. Caterpillar, which lacks a sphincter or colon, derives the shape of their droppings entirely from the rectum. At the same time, the dropping shape of animals like sheep, goats, deer, and rabbit is due to a combination. Horse apples are not quite as consistent, but they are close. When the feces are more amorphous, only the anal sphincter contributes to the shape. You can also read our guide -18 Ways to Make Money by Rabbit Farming. Extensive guidelines for rabbit farmers. If the sphincter stays open a long time, you tend to get long, unbroken masses, as in humans. The phenomena do not strictly correlate with the fibrous masses, but most definitely have soupy poop. The digestive process itself, which is different in cattle, is also a factor. This is also called rabbit scat versus deer scat. In easy words, it is a combination of the following factors: the colon, the rectum, the diet, and how it is digested. Rabbits are hindgut fermenters similar to horses, and their large cecum is used similar to a rumen for anaerobic microbial digestion of roughages they consume. Deer poop versus rabbit poop. Deer poop look like butt. What does deer poop look like? Small ruminants such as rabbits have the same 4 stomach compartments as a cow, but have spiral cecum also, which may have something to do with the consistency of pellet-like excrement they make differently. Horses usually make the larger pellets as rabbits do because of their similar digestive tract anatomies. Rabbits have a unique digestive system, but round pellet poop is not that different. The pellets as feces are generally correlated with how much water gets absorbed from the food in the colon. It may happen in humans if the humans get dehydrated. See our extensive article, 7 Ways Deer Farmers Make Money. Buck hunting, deer biologists, wildlife agencies. What does deer poop look like? Dropping stock photos. Deer poop is deposited in clumps. The color of deer scat varies depending on the animal's diet. For example, if a deer has been eating blueberries or raspberries, its droppings will be reddish brown, pinkish to bright red in color. If it has been eating carrots, which are orange in color, the deer scat will be orange. If it has been eating hay, its droppings will be yellowish brown. Some people think that the color of deer scat can help them determine what type of food a deer's diet consists of. This is not true, because all waste products are affected by the bacteria in the animal's digestive system, and the contents of its meal will be altered within a few hours, and it may bear little resemblance to the original food. Also, deer scat is not always brown in color. It can be green or white if the animal is eating grass or hay that has been recently cut. Poop, also called feces, stool, or scat, is the universal metabolic byproduct of the digestive tract. Most poop gets disgusted and appalled by it, but it is a fact of nature. Defecating is vital in cleansing our bodies and getting rid of toxins. Excretion of feces aids in maintaining our overall health and help discharge harmful bacteria from the body. Our poop differs in color, shape, size, and shape, etc. These factors could be an indication of our health and lifestyle. Not only humans defecate, but also other animals defecate. Deer poop or scats usually look like bullet-shaped pellets that have an indentation on one end and point on the other end. The droppings are usually small and clustered. The color ranges from green to brown to black, depending on their diet. Deer droppings can aid in identifying deer feeding habits, their favorite bedding and eating spots, and their proximity to the area. Fresh, warm, and moist poop could indicate that they are nearby. On that farm we and our children raised rabbits, chickens, hogs, cattle, goats. View all posts.